Well, hey guys, welcome back. If you're new, you're so welcome. Today I did a Gallerie dupe sponsored by BeeBeeCraft.com, and this is a Victoria candle, which for Gallerie is normally $39.95, and right now it's on sale for $26.99. But I did this for $1 because the items I used was sponsored by BeeBeeCraft. BeeBeeCraft is like a supplier of high quality jewelry making supplies, and they also have a YouTube program where you can get free products by doing videos. For only having 100 subscribers or more, I will put all of that information in the description bar below, including the items I use. Now what I did was I picked these up from the Dollar Tree. As you can see, I have the BeeBeeCraft, and this is some of the gemstone beads on a chain. They're silver with the silver bottom. I also have some gold. This one is crystal with the gold bottom, and these will be what I'll be using for this DIY. I'm also going to be using some E6000 glue and some coffee stirrers, or a popsicle stick would be fine. And that's just to place and move the items around, and we're going to get started. All you're going to need to do is place the E6000 glue on the actual glass, and I did go over this with a little bit of alcohol to clean it up and remove the tag. And that's simple as it can be. You're just going to make a circle, get your chain, and start applying it. Now the stick is used to actually place it so you're not getting the glue all on your hands. I'm going to be using the bottom with the gold, and then I'm going to use the silver on top. Not so much as an ombre, but more like a double effect. I love mixing metals. So if you like mixing metals, you're going to love the way this turned out. It's going to be gorgeous. So I'm just using, like I said, the coffee stirrer to place it in place. And that's basically it. Now my technique for whenever I'm going to be wrapping anything is I always place it where I need it to be, and then I start spinning it and keeping it even when I spin it. I have found this to be the easiest, quickest way to wrap any bottle, anything that you're doing for DIYs. So I hope that tip helps. I like to try to give tips I use. And that's basically how you're going to do that. Now once you get to the middle, if you use this type of glass, then you're going to basically pick it up and wrap it maybe twice for that full circumference. Once you get past that, you can also then again place it back down and start wrapping it. Now that I ran out of the gold chain, I already planned on using the silver, so I'm going to go ahead and start applying that. Once again, put a little bit of E6000 down and then go from there. Now I'm going to show you, I just basically picked up where I left off with the gold, and it will be seamless. You won't even be able to tell the difference. Using my stick once again to place it where I need it to be, and just adjust it as I go along, and this keeps your hands free of any glue. Now when I give you guys a close-up, you'll see how seamless this is going to be. I just made sure that the chain I was using, the gemstone beads on the chain, that they were the same in as far as the millimeter size. Once I got to the end, all I did was clip it. I used some regular kitchen shears, and that was simple and easy. Very easy to work with this, you guys. Just make sure that you're all spinning it in the same, direction with the gemstones facing out. So just make sure that you're keeping it facing out while you're wrapping the actual glass or bottle that you're using this for. And anywhere there's gaps, you could just take your stick and just place them and push them around, because E6000 is very forgiving. And that's basically it. I love the way that this looks so smooth, and it's gorgeous. And now, as you can see, I've already styled it. I will definitely put some different types of candles in it. Right now I have some luminaires from the Dollar Tree, and they look beautiful. I love the way this came out for this Gallerie dupe. So yeah, BeeBeeCraft.com, like I said, is a large supplier. I'm going to leave their link in the description bar below, and also the link for if you're interested in the YouTube program where you get free products by doing videos. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and like and subscribe. Keep your head up, guys. Stay safe and stay blessed. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.